everybody, welcome to Fluid Art by Christine. So I am experimenting with some golds and Winsor Violet, Winsor Newton, Winsor Violet. And this is a really deep purple. And I wanted to use this, but I didn't want to put a lot of wacky colors with it because purple tends to take over. So anyway, my colors are the Artist Loft Naples Yellow, the Artist Loft Old Gold, and the Artist Loft Flow Acrylic Gold. So these two golds look totally different. So two golds, and I have just a regular Flow Acrylic white from Artist Loft, all mixed up. The paint to pouring medium ratio is a little bit different, so I'm just gonna write it in the description box. So I have it jotted down, and I'm not gonna get into that right this second. Let me get all these out of my way. So I've got a little bit of a cold starting up. Great way to start your weekend, huh? My daughter gave it to me, so you can't get mad about that. Trying to decide. This is a 14 by 14 inch canvas, and I don't know if what I'm thinking about doing is considered a sandwich pour, because I'm going to be using, I don't know what is the criteria is for a sandwich pour. It might be like a sandwich pour that Karen from Flow Acrylics does. Let me just get this camera checked. Okay, yeah, so I think I'm going to use a 16-ounce cup because it's pretty big, and I just want to do one big cup flip, and I probably won't even fill it up all the way. Why is there water in that? Here's one that's dry. All right, here we go. So how much selling do I want? So that's a question. I have different amounts in each cup, so I'm going to use a different amount of drops per cup. So there's only a tiny little bit of that in there. I'm going to use one drop in that. And I think I'm going to use 2 in that one, 2 in that one, and these are all pretty much the same amount. Oops. Okay. So I'm going to stir these up. I've had really good luck, knock on wood, with no caterpillars lately. Yay! Now gold, when it's wet, it looks like brown. And so in my mind I'm like, okay, prepare yourself to see some kind of brownish color. But then when it dries, you know, if it doesn't all sink, and that's the goal here, then when it dries, it will stand out, and you put a clear coat over it, it makes it stand out even more. So okay, here we go. Stop farting around. And I don't really even know which order I'm going to do this in, so I'm just gonna kind of do this. I know for sure I'm going to use all the gold. I want some negative space, so I'm going to go ahead and put a good amount of white in there, and then I'm going to go in with this gold. And I'm going to use a good amount because I want it to stand out. Gold on top of gold. They're just such different colors. Okay. And now I'm gonna put in not that much purple. I don't know why I made this much. This is way too much. I'm gonna have to find something else to put it in as well. And that, my friends, may be all the purple I do. And then here we go with gold again. This time I'm gonna do this one. I might use purple again. This one isn't super planned like some of my others. You never know what you're gonna get, right? You never know. All right, I'm gonna do a little more purple right here. That's gonna be the pop. We don't need a lot of pop. All right, and finish off with white. I think this probably is considered a sandwich pour. Okay. Here we go. Golden purple. Could be cool, right? It's a good idea in my head. Making sure that my thumbtacks underneath push pins are even, because this one's raised up a little. That's a little concerning. I'll have to put a little napkin under that while it's drying. That'll be no big deal. It's a good thing I noticed though, right? That can be something that can rock a painting. You've got one short leg. I got a short leg over here. All right. Fingers crossed. Go, guys. Whoa. Okay, so far so good. The purple got a lot lighter, not surprised. Purple doesn't like to listen. It has its own rules. Kind of like red. Whatever you add red to, red is fine on its own, but you start putting it next to other colors, it's definitely never going to stay that same color. It's not going to stay that same nice dark color, no matter what you put it next to. Isn't that crazy? Don't need a lot of cells either. Making sure I don't have to worry about my corners later. It's really gone like a light black purple, hasn't it? Like a lavender almost. gonna move it around a little bit, see where we are. Bringing the weight into the center just a little bit. The little bit of cells that there is right now are ringed. I'm losing some of them because they're rolling over each other. It's okay, I'm fine with a smoky background. I'm gonna use the rest of this cup. I'm just gonna do this. I think I might torch before I do the rest of that. Yeah, I'm getting the weird metallics cell shape. Every time, not all of them, but this corner up here. Nice and slow. Just gonna get right in that, slide it in like a perfect parking space. Slide it right in there. Boom. That's it. Bring it back. Interesting. Seriously, that thumbtack just fell out. Yep, that's what happened. That's okay. You guys know me. I can handle it. Forgot the hammer, man. I gotta find the hole. Oh gosh, be patient with me, guys. Gotta handle this. There it is. There's always something, isn't it? Wow, Well, that was quick, guys. What do I think? I like it. I always say that, but look, what's not to like? Beautiful smoky purple. A couple of deep purples popped up over here in the cells. Lots of beautiful background. And then if the gold comes out like I want it to, then when this is resined, it'll shine through as a reflective state. So this could potentially look really cool when it's resined in a few weeks. I have been thinking, you know, if I'm going to go through doing the whole metallics, if you get a good one that you like, you almost have to really give it a good clear coat because they look so very good. I hope that's still in frame. I'm going to bring you guys in for a close-up. I'm not going to do anything else to it, and hope you enjoyed. Hold on a sec. Well, there it is, everybody. I am thrilled. This came out really, really nice. Not too many cells. We'll start in this corner. Quite a bit of cells there. I love the creaminess, the creamy. And I was really hoping to get that cream in the white, and I wasn't sure what was going to happen with the purple, but we got some ring cells up here. And that nice smoky background. The gold and the silicone made that weird shape, but that's okay. I like it. Matter of fact, I think I love it. I think I love it. I have extra paint too. I might do another one. Another canvas, thinking about it. Why waste it? Good color combo. I'm shocked. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this. And I hope you guys have a wonderful, wonderful day. Happy pouring!